The Type at Work cards, as the name would suggest, is used very frequently in the business environment, in HI departments or independent consultants, using them for executive coaching or management coaching. The topics that they cover are typically communication style, leadership, change, teams, and also relaxation. We all need a little bit of work and life balance. There are careers cards also within those packs, so you can have a conversation around career direction very, very simply. The Type for Teens cards are one of the few resources that are actually specifically written with teenagers in mind. However, I found that they suit people of all ages. The type descriptions there are more simply written, they've got more easy to understand language, but actually people enjoy them from ages 3 to 93. They also contain careers cards, so you can have that all-important discussion, that where to next with the teens and the youth who you're working with. The Learning Puzzle I co-authored with Mary Ann Sutherland, an educational consultant in Canada with 32 years experience of working in education and with type. And it's used for educators and learners. I truly believe that type can and should be used in education. Research tells us that there is a huge correlation between type and learning, and we really need to understand that and put that into practice in the education systems around the world. The Type Trilogy I co-authored with Susan Nash, another international expert in the field of type. And we really try to look at whole type. We take into account these 3 different perspectives which you really need to understand in order to be able to coach people well. Again, that's temperament, interaction, styles, and cognitive processes all come together to form a pattern which you can explain to the clients that you're working with. The Personality Puzzle box I created with my colleague Nikki Gumbrell. Nikki and I have been working in schools for the past 10 years. We work with students from age 14 to 18 and they all enjoy this process. It's a 6-part program and it can be delivered to schools in a very flexible format, whatever suits you best, but we find that the students find it so rewarding and we do too. It's a fabulous resource to use with your students. So there's more on all of these resources online. There are user guides that you can make your way through. They've got a huge amount of information, questions you can ask, activities that there are to do to help you maximize the use of these cards. There's also training available. I'm very happy to train in person if you happen to be local, or indeed we can do that online, whatever way suits you. That's absolutely fine. Thank you for watching, and if you've got any questions at all, then please be in touch.